Hello YouTube, today we're going to be working on the back tailgate. I'm going to show you guys how to carpet that up next. Also, I'm going to show you guys a bit of carpet that needs to be done over there in the corner. Then we're going to focus on the headliner, and we're going to bring in the seats. The one seat frame's in here already. I have to make a custom seat cover from scratch, get foam, shape it, and I'll show you guys how to do that next. But what I want to do is I'm going to finish up the carpet. I got these pillars over here. Like that one over there, that's black. I already sprayed it. I'm gonna lay some carpet out on it, work our way up to the roof. Then the headliner, I'm gonna make it from scratch. It's gonna be a fitted headliner instead of ribbed one, because I don't really feel like making a ribbed headliner today. And two, I think the fitted headliner is gonna look really nice in this car. It's gonna make it more modern looking. Also, because this car is custom and I'm not trying to go for that full classic feel. I want you to get in and feel like you're getting into a modern car, just like how this carpet's actually that carpet that you use in the back of most cars and the interiors of most cars today. It's really thin, not too much loop on it. It's on like an 80-20 loop like back in the day. I do like old school rug too, but I wanted to make sure this actually felt more modern and classic versus like how I did the Camaro, which if you want to check that out, there's going to be a description link at the end. You can go check out that car for sale at our shop. Alright guys, stay tuned, and I'm going to start working on those two corners over there. Alright guys, once you get to this point, I already made the last panels right there and faded it in. I made my other side one, that's just extra fabric that's sitting on top. Everything's all fitted in, even down to underneath the dash. The last part is that tailgate and these panels right here, and I also got to do the kicker plates. Alright guys, measure out how much fabric you need. I'm actually going to separate this into two pieces and seam it right down the middle, and you'll actually never see. And I'll actually push it up against each other like I've been doing. This way I can save some fabric since this is a very wide space. And I'll show you guys how to cut in stuff like handles and stuff like that, because I'm actually going to feather this in with a another piece. Alright, this is how far I got so far, and right now it's starting to rain, but like I said, these tents are weatherproof. No rain is coming down, the panel's completely dry, and it's still beautiful out. It's only like maybe 60 degrees outside, and there's no humidity, little breeze, but it's perfect for a day like this. Except for this keeps blowing back on me. But once I'm done with this tailgate, I'll be fine. But as you can see, I already made my two panels. Right now, I still have to trim out the handle. The handle, I'm still deciding if I'm going to paint it or put carpet on it. But right now, it's already been primed. It's ready to go. I got to still trim it out. I made my own trim panel in the center. It's a divider right in the middle. And I wanted to make sure that I had it level, so I leveled it off. I wrapped it, I let it dry, and then I made two holes. Went through, made sure I pulled the glass out, so if it's ever too long, you know, you can pull the screws out, use a little bit something shorter, but everything's all good. I gotta trim out the bottom edge right here still, right where the hinges go and fold up, because you don't want it to get all bound up right in here. So I'm gonna trim it out. The sides of the tailgates will be painted. This will be tucked down and glued. Right now it's still on the rough cut. A little bit of dust has gone on stuff, but as you can see, everything's coming together and looking great. I got a few more things to wrap, like those areas I was pointing out before in the beginning of the video, and the kick panels. So stay tuned. I'm also probably gonna wrap these sections right here where the divider panels go in before the quarter panel, and I'm gonna pop it back off a little bit, put fabric on there, do the same in this section right here, and I think that's about it.